Hello everyone. Today we will discuss second year zoology new model paper. So according to the Telangana State Board of Intermediate new model paper zoology 2 second year zoology 2. So totally 8 units in this second year zoology, total 8 units. So first one, unit 1. So they are presenting on the digestion and absorption, breathing and exchange of gases. Unit 1, digestion and absorption, breathing and exchange of gases. Unit 2, body fluids and circulation, excretory products and their elimination. Next one, unit 3, musculoskeletal system and neural control and coordination. Musculoskeletal system and neural control and coordination. Unit 4th, endocrine system and immune system. Unit 4, endocrine system and immune system. Unit 5, human reproductive system and human reproductive health. Next, unit 6, genetics. Unit 7, organic evolution. Unit 8, applied biology. Totally 8 units in second year zoology. So in this 8 units, so first unit, so digestion and absorption. First unit 2 chapters, one is the digestion and absorption, another one breathing and exchange of gases. So the digestion and absorption complete deleted, only unit 1A, digestion and absorption. So this digestion and absorption complete delete. Next one, so unit 3A, musculoskeletal system. But only skeletal system is complete deleted. Next one, unit 7, organic evolution. So they are complete deleted. Totally 8 units. 7th one, organic evolution deleted, only skeletal system deleted, only digestion and absorption delete. So discussing to the new model paper, totally 3 sections, section A, section B, section C. Section A, section B, section C. Section A total 10 very short answers. Section B total 12 short answers. Section C total 4 long answers. Section A, section B, section C. So section first one, section A, 10 questions. First question, what are conche? First question, what are conche? So they are the breathing and exchange of gases. Lesson name 1B, breathing and exchange of gases, 1 very short answers. Next one, why the arteries are more elastic than veins? So chapter name, body fluids and circulation. Next one, distinguish between the cortical and juxtamedullary nephrons. So this is also excretory products and their elimination. Next one, next question, what do you know an arbor vitae? About arbor vitae? So these are the neural control and coordination, arbor vitae. Next one, what is insulin shock? Insulin shock, so they are the endocrine system, insulin shock. Next one, what are complement proteins? So they are also immune system, complement proteins, immune system. Next one, what is pleiotropy? So they are the 6th lesson, pleiotropy, genetics, 2 marks. Next one, mention any 2 advantages of inbreeding. So these are the applied biology. Next one, list out any 4 features of cancer cells. So they also applied biology. Totally 10 very short answers. First one, breathing and exchange of gases, 1 question. Body fluid circulation, 1 question. Excretory products and their elimination, 1 question. Next one, neural control and coordination, 1 very short answer. Endocrine system, 1 very short answer. Immune system, 1 very short answers. Genetics, 1 very short answers, and applied biology 2 very short answers. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally first question, second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. Remaining in one question. What are concave body fluids and circulation? Arteries are more elastic. Arbor vitae, insulin shock, complement protein. 4th B, complement proteins. 4th B, pleiotropy. 6th unit, pleiotropy. Bar bodies, 6th unit. Yes, 1 answers. Totally 10 very short answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 10 very short answers. You write 10 very short answers. There is no choice. Next one. So 10 into 2, 20 marks. Totally 20 marks. Next one, section B. Section B totally 12 short answers. 4 marks questions. Total 12 short answers. First question. How is respiratory movements regulated in man? How is respiratory movements regulated in man? So they are the lesson 1. So breathing and exchange of gases, 1 short answers. Next one, describe disorders of the respiratory system. Disorders of the respiratory system, also breathing and exchange of gases. Next question, draw a label diagram of VS of kidney. Draw a label diagram of VS of kidney. So they are the extended production and their elimination. Next question, describe the important steps in the muscle contraction. Describe the important steps in muscle contraction. So they are the lesson musculoskeletal system, 1 4 marks question. Next question, 5 an account of the secretion of pituitary glands. So 5 an account of secretions of pituitary glands. So they are the endocrine system, 1 4 marks question, endocrine system. Next one, write the note on the mechanism of action of hormones. Mechanism of action of hormones. So they are the immune system. Mechanism of hormone of actions, endocrine system. Next one, write notes on the B cells. So B cells, so they are the immune system. Next one, describe the microscopic structure of the ovary of women. Ovary of women. So they are the reproductive system. Next one, 6 education necessary in schools. So they are the reproductive health. Next question, describe the steps involved in the DNA fingerprinting technology. DNA fingerprinting technology. So they are the genetics lesson. Next one, describe the brief about the avian flu. So they are the applied biology. Avian flu, applied biology. Next one, write and brief types of gene therapy. Gene therapy. So they also applied biology. Totally 12 short answers. Breathing and exchange of gases, 2 short answers. Extended reproduction and their elimination, 1 short answer. Muscles, 1 short answer. And endocrine system, 4 short answers, 2 short answers. Immune system, 1 short answer. Reproductive system, 1 short answer. Reproductive health, 1 short answer. Genetics, 1 short answer. Applied biology, 2 short answers. So they are the totally 12 short answers. You write only 6 questions. Write only 6 questions. 6 into 4, 24 marks. You write only 6. 6 into 4, 24 marks. Next one, section C. Next one, section C. Total in this paper 4 short answers. 4 short answers. You write only 2 short answers. You write only 2 short answers. 2 long answers. You write only 2 long answers. First long answer, describe the structure of heart of man with the help of neat label diagram. Structure of heart. Lesson name. So body fluids and circulation. 1 8 marks question. Second question, given brief account of the structure and functions of the heart of man. So functions of heart. So these are also body fluids and circulation. Body fluids and circulation, 2 long answers. One is the structure of heart, long answer. Another one, working of heart, 1 long answer. Next question, describe the male reproductive system of man. Male reproductive system of man. So they are the reproductive system, 1 long answer. Next one, last question, what are multiple alleles? Describe multiple alleles with the help of ABO blood groups in man. ABO blood groups in man. So they are the genetics. They are the 1 long answer in genetics. Totally 4 long answers. 2 long answers in body fluids and circulation, 1 long answer in human reproductive system, 1 long answer genetics. Totally 4 long answer. You write only 2 long answers. Next one, Total marks in breathing and exchange of gases 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 4 10 marks, totally 10 marks. Next one, body fluids and circulation. So breathing and exchange of gases 10 marks, body fluids and circulation 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 8 18 marks, 18 marks. Next one, excretory products and their elimination. So 2 plus 4 totally 6 marks. Next one, musculoskeletal system, only skeletal deleted, only muscle 4 marks. Next one, neurocontrol and coordination, only one very short answer 2 marks. Next one, endocrine system. So endocrine system 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 4 10 marks. Next one, immune system. So 2 plus 4 6 marks, immune system 6 marks. Next one, human reproductive system. So reproductive system 8 plus 4 12 marks. Next one, reproductive health, only one short answer 4 marks. Next one, genetics 2 plus 2 4 marks, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16 marks. So organic evolution complete, delete. Next one, applied biology 2 plus 2 2 plus 2 4 marks, 4 plus 4 8 marks, 8 plus 4 12 marks, totally 12 marks in this lesson. So they are the new model paper and weightage of total lessons, weightage and discussing to the new model paper, very easy nana. So here focus only 2 marks questions, because of, so there is no choice, 2 marks there is no choice. So very short answers there is no choice, short answers 50% choice, long answers 50% choice. Short answer total 12 questions, you write only 6 questions, and long answer total 4 questions, you write only 2 questions. So short answer choice 50%, long answer choice 50%, very short answers there is no choice. Your focus only very short answer, you get more marks.